on, would you teens? Well, I suppose I can teach you a thing or two. If you're all about steam and brass, and all you need to depart is a team and a task, sharp set of gears and a gleaming arc, competitive robots seeking the start. If you're all about reaching far, seeking the game on secret charts, meeting in secret beneath the stars, loaded with pizza and feeling smart. If you're making a robot army, marching on for starting a party, something so wondrous, and a specially constructed electrical bus so thunderous. Don't come to fuss, got a wanderlust and you're one of us. We bump steampunk, need one of these, jump free power, free fun, here come the steam bus. Steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered. Just bring your plans and plots and schemes. We've got the mechanics if you've got the dreams. All people, countries, cultures, teams. Welcome one and all to the age of steam. Keep it courteous, professional work, and to work together in the first teamwork. The future of technology is all that it seems. Welcome one and all to the age of steam. Steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered, steam powered. We are looking forward in time, pushing past certain factory grime. All other groups to the back of the line. We are the future, in fact, divine. Gleaming machinery seem to be reckoned with. Every single member an excellent gentleman or lady, creating, leading a steamship in between T-ships. The people need this. You see, we're taking care of our crew like we do our facial hair. Be made aware when making improvement. Don't call it a scene, it's more of a movement, it's more of an era. Clearing the air, taking over, nearly there. Students, coaches, mentors, teams, welcome one and all to the age of steam.
Ladies and gentlemen, please provide a warm New York welcome for your Hudson Valley Tournament MC, all the way from First Headquarters. Make some noise for Blair!
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Well, New York City wasn't big enough. We had to expand outside of New York City. We have landed in the Hudson Valley. Welcome to the inaugural Hudson Valley Regional, everyone. You were there. You can say I was there. Last time I saw you, or you saw me, I was standing on this airship during the kickoff. We unveiled the game, we unveiled the field, and it went over pretty well. This is week 4. And for some of you, 35 of these teams, this is your first time competing. I can tell you this game is a blast. It's fun, it's intense. This is week 4. My job is to go around the world and, well, bring first to new places. Week 1, I was in Texas. Week 2, I was in China. I'm warning you, the Chinese are coming. 41 teams over there. Saturday afternoon. You may have heard that a lot of people in China. Saturday afternoon, in China alone, we had 100,000 people watching the webcast of an FRC event. 100,000 people at an inaugural event. It was a trip. This event is going around the world as well. Last week I was in San Francisco. We're webcasting from there. We are webcasting from here as well. And we have more countries than teams at this event. Sorry, than states at this event. Dominican Republic is here. Ecuador is here. India is here. Brazil is here. Turkey is here. The United Kingdom is here. And some consider it its own country. New Jersey is here. And there's just a few teams from the great state of New York. The game is a blast. We've had a blast. Last week I had Dean out in San Francisco. He flew in. He got a little ride up. His driver, he just kept calling his driver. Sergey Brin drove him up from San Jose. My driver, Sergey, the billionaire. But Dean can't be here today, but we made a video. So let's roll the Dean, Don, Woody welcome video.
Welcome to the competition. It's almost time for liftoff.
We know that you're all eager to show your strategy, creative designs, and gracious professionalism in FIRST Steamwork. But first, let's thank the folks who got you here.
The mentors,
sponsors, suppliers, parents, and a big thanks to all the volunteers and team members for making this another great season. FIRST works because of your dedication, support, and determination.
FIRST also works, Don, because our teams work so hard to set themselves up for a successful future. They're in the game.
Each week, competition reveals another lineup of amazing robot designs. You continue to impress with your creative design solutions. And over the course of the season, I'll bet you learn as much about yourself and teamwork as you do about your robot.
But now it's time to fuel the boilers,
make some steam,
and launch the airships.
FIRST Steamworks is cleared for takeoff.
Have a great flight.
All right, look, a few words from Dean, Don, and Woody. This is a great sized facility, and it's probably seen a lot of events in the past, but I can bet you this is the first time it's ever seen steampunk and robotics combined. But the man who knows is the president of Rockland Community College. Please welcome Cliff Wood.
Good morning and welcome to Rockland Community College. Rockland Community College is one of the 64 institutions that are part of the State University of New York, the largest system of higher education in the world. And we're thrilled to have you here as our guest at Rockland Community College. And all I can tell you is how pleased and excited I am to see so many of you in such a diverse group here to show what you know about science and technology and engineering. And participating in an activity like this one is just the beginning of a great career path for you. And you're very smart this morning to take advantage of this opportunity. And the only thing that I would ask of you today is if you see one of these staff members from FIRST Robot, thank them for providing this wonderful, amazing opportunity. So have a great competition and know that you're always welcome at Rockland Community College. Enjoy this day. Thank you.
Thank you. President Wood, thank you. So we do have a lot of space around the field. It's very spacious and luxurious, in the pits as well. The one place we don't have a lot of space are in the stands. So we're going to ask you to snuggle up, get tight, don't save seats, don't leave suitcases in there, because we need every single possible seat in these stands throughout the course of the competition. It is now my pleasure to introduce an amazing man. He's been with FIRST a long time. His job is to corral some volunteers who are very important. They wear the blue shirts, the judges. Please welcome our judge advisor, John Noon.
Morning, everybody. Let me be about the 50th person to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making this competition possible. And mostly, thank you for inviting us to be judges at this competition. We have a panel of about 30 judges here. Can you stand up and take a bow? Please help me welcome them. They are really interesting people, and in a way, they have the best job in the room. Their job is to talk to you. That's all they want to do. We have a tough job, too, because we have to decide who's going to get awards. But when you see a judge, again, all they want to do is talk to you. Some of them will want to talk about your machines. Some will want to talk about your team. Some of them are going to want to know about you. And you could do us a big favor. Talk to us. Just talk to the judges, tell them your story, and ask them about theirs. That's our job, and if you can do that for us, we'd be eternally grateful. Thanks a lot, and have a great competition.
Thank you, John. That dude's got a sweet mustache. Anybody notice? Another group of volunteers here. They make sure that everything is fair on the field. Our referees, led by longtime referee Carol Parado. Give it up for our refs. Royal wave, royal wave. The team from the UK is here, so you got that wave better be good. Safety is still critical at FIRST. Give it up for our safety advisors, Mike Salter and his crew from UL. They wear the red shirts to make sure it's safe on the field, in the pits, around the venue. And we give an award every year for the safety animation. It was won by a team in Minnesota this year. Let's roll the safety animation video now.
In a utopian universe where safety actually comes first, students are taught the importance of safety in a technology-dominated world. This level of education would not be possible without the fantastic leadership of the safety captains and mentors, who set excellent examples of what it means to be safe. They do this through lessons on safe tool and machining usage, stressing good communication when something in the shop is not safe. They encourage the use of proper safety equipment, such as goggles, vests, helmets, and welding gloves in the appropriate situations. Eventually, the students gain the ability to police themselves. Less time wasted to accidents means more time for innovation and engineering. As the students grow up, they themselves become the captains and mentors teaching the next generation of bright minds. This cycle of safety education keeps the utopia alive.
All right, we're going to keep the utopia alive and safe this weekend at the Hudson Valley Regional. Mentors, make sure you have the safety plan with your team, a meeting up point in case there's an emergency. I know you know that, but just make sure you've discussed that with your team. There's another group of volunteers here, very important. Give it up for them, our robot inspectors, led by Rob Heslin. You've gotten to know them, they've gotten to know you. They're going to be here all weekend too, because tomorrow your robots will need to be pre-inspected before they can go into the playoff tournament, okay? So they will probably grab you as you exit the field after your last qualification match tomorrow and have you be reweighed. All right, up next, scholarship. FIRST has $50 million in scholarship available to FIRST students, to FRC students and FTC students. $50 million, over 200 colleges, universities, corporations. Make sure you go on the website and check that out. Some of that money goes unused every year. Also on the website is part of our alumni program. If you're an alumni from FIRST, stand up. Stand up. You work in the scoring table. All our alumni in the stands as mentors. Alumni, thank you for all that you do. Thank you for staying involved with FIRST. FIRST needs you. Mentors, thank you, thank you, thank you. We know that you're doing a lot with the progression of programs, whether it's FIRST Lego League Junior, FIRST Lego League, FIRST Tech Challenge, FIRST Robotics Competition. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We cannot thank the mentors enough. There you go. 810 loves their mentor. If you're a Dean's List semifinalist, please stand up. The Dean's List, the only award that goes to a single student. It's our student award. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck at your interviews. If you're a senior in high school, stand up. Yeah, seniors. It's home stretch. It's home stretch. You're almost there. And after you graduate, make sure you stay involved with FIRST. There's a lot of college students over here at our table volunteering, so you can mentor, you can be a volunteer at the events. Good luck with your final semester and your future plans. That's all good. We're getting there. We're getting there. Because we have 7 countries here, you are in for a treat. Because you get to listen to 7 national anthems. Please rise for the beginning of our anthem medley. We'll start with the playing of the national anthem of Brazil. remain standing for the national anthem of the Dominican Republic. And now the anthem of Ecuador. And now the anthem from India. And now we continue flying west in our airships to Turkey. And now the Anthem of the United Kingdom. Now please remain standing, remove your steampunk hats and your caps for the playing of the United States National Anthem. I hope you were paying attention because we're going to have a quiz later. A little anthem quiz. Are you ready for liftoff? Are you ready for liftoff? Let's bring it, baby. Let's get those pilots in the airships. Robots, come on the field and power up. It is time for first Steamworks at the Hudson Valley Regional, baby. Crank it up.